Hey guys, it is Alum and what the heck? Wait one sec, this isn't working. Hey guys, it is Alum who apparently can't move. I just spawned here and I can't move my character. I can only go, I can't turn my head or anything. What the heck? I just wrote, oh, diamonds, 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 diamonds. I don't know what's going on, guys. This is very, very strange. I just set up this new world, and oh my gosh. Wait, can I move now? Yes! Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. So what I was saying was I have no idea where I am. I just spawned on this island. And wow. This is very, very strange, guys.
Why does this glitch keep happening?
This is the first time I've ever just spawned on a random island. I didn't change the seed or anything. I just clicked create new world, and then this happened.
Hey, Ayla, why does this glitch always happen?
This glitch doesn't happen. It's never happened before.
No,
there's only been once where we just found this giant place with diamonds and emeralds. We don't even know if that was a glitch, but this is a glitch. Wait.
Getting so much experience from this. Hey, Alum, I can see a war dungeon.
What do you mean?
A war dungeon.
Where?
Over there. See? Right there.
Oh. Okay.
I'll go check that out later.
Yeah, sure.
Looks cool.
But if we die, I'm counting you as responsible.
We probably are gonna die. I mean, there's giant scare. We probably shouldn't go there. I mean, we're not a professional. And we only have a pickaxe.
And a bunch of diamonds. Ooh, land. I just saw some land.
The war dungeons look so cool.
I'm not gonna go over there. I'm just going to go to this land. So guys, we start off the series by getting, how many diamonds is that? 74? That's 82 diamonds in the first episode, guys. Crazy.
Oh gosh, just ignore it. It's probably Herobrine.
Herobrine? Well,
do you know he tortures people?
Stop scaring me.
Just think and die. Okay,
that's it. I'm not going on this world anymore, guys.
It keeps happening.
That was scary.
I'm guessing it's Herobrine. I'm guessing he tortures people on their world who have a bunch of materials.
That was just weird. I don't know if you heard that, guys, but man, that was freaky. I'm ending the episode now.